Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, and want to get some things updated. To be honest, I was not planning on doing a video, and then again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the volume, the final 30 minutes of the day. Biggest volume it had all day, and then just this little green candle formed, which is kind of a bizarre situation. Now, just because there is big green volume and a little green candle, I'm not saying that this thing's going up to $1.75 tomorrow, but just from a technical perspective and more so, a quote unquote storybook, viewpoint, it presents an interesting situation. Now, on the flip side of things, though, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have followed DRYS in the past, is I've seen this pattern before. I've been covering this, the chart for literally months. And my question now that I'm starting to wonder is this stair-step pattern starting to form all over again like it did before the last reverse split? And that's simply where the price, puts in a low, bottoms out, and then the next day, builds a new stair step, which is what happened today. Meaning it went sideways yesterday, which was, a possible bottom, but nope, today price fell below, and now it's going sideways again. So possible bottom, maybe, but that's why I say you don't go and grab your kid's college tuition and throw it in there all in here just because it went sideways. Because, like I said, if you've followed this one before, you've seen this pattern happen where it just starts, day by day, just continues to drift downward. So with that, a couple updates need to be made. First one based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.30 as support, but now that the price is below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's actually exactly what happened. You can see it acted as resistance there and there. So with any sort of bounce, if this, volume bar here for the final 30 minutes means anything, how can you define quote unquote means anything? Well, let's see if the price can get back up above $1.30. That would definitely be a good step in the right direction. After $1.30, have $1.45 next level of resistance, but you don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. And as far as supports are concerned, at this point, it's just all about where did the price finally bottom out today, and that's right there at about the $1.20 mark. So $1.20, new level of support. We'll see if that can hold, or if, like I said, the chart's entering into that pattern before where, tomorrow the price is now going to be down here and then bumping its head, on that level. So we'll see what happens with it, but final 30 minutes, pretty interesting. It'll be, I'm curious to see how this unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.